Chatbots for DMV can be a game-changing advancement that can benefit both customer experience and employees working there. Let's say Joseph wants to get a car, but before that, he needs a driving license. So just like any other person, he visits his local DMV only to find a long line snaking around the building. Without any options, Joseph decides to join the line to get the number. After spending hours, he finally got the number only to go back to waiting for his turn. Hours went by, and Joseph watched as people were called up one by one. But his turn was nowhere near. As closing time approached, he started to worry, and in the end, he was turned away from DMV. Feeling dejected, Joseph left the DMV and returned the next day, hoping for better luck. When his turn finally came, he realized that he was missing an important document. But he couldn't do anything. Feeling helpless, Joseph had to return home and gather the required documents before he could try again. This was a frustrating experience due to the lack of information and interaction between the customer and the DMV. But what if all of this could be quickly resolved with the help of a conversational AI, a medium of interaction between the DMV and customers that can be provided by a chatbot? TAR's chatbot can streamline the process by automating the task of booking an appointment to reduce crowding, waiting, and turnaround times at the DMV and frustration among all the parties involved.
To use chatbots in your own organization, book a free chatbot consultation at hellotars.com/demo or click the link in the video description. Again, that's hellotars.com/demo.